All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at that wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Looks really nice. 235, 55, 19s. Date code is 2021. Decent tire tread left. Looks good. You do have some markings right here. Pretty subtle. I imagine those could probably polish out. A-pillar looks good. Little chip there. A couple small scuffs. Got a chip right there, a little chip here. Yes, that looks good. This tire is from 2025. It's an Iron Man, so it's different than the front. Those look pretty much brand new. So you have Iron Man's up here, and then a Continental up here. I bet these are original, and those were recently replaced. Looking at the front, you do have a chip right there, a couple small ones, just every once in a while. It's all very subtle. The headlight looks good, a couple small chips across the hood. Looks good. That's the biggest one right there. Lower section looks nice. Looking at that tire, looks like the same as the other one on the other side. The tread is decent. Continental. Lower rocker looks good. That mirror looks nice. A-pillar's clean. That door edge is nice. I don't feel any chips there. You have a chip here and a chip there. This is a Continental as well from 2021. So the back right tire is the new one. The rest of them are originals. You're gonna see typical flaws here. All of this looks good. Plastics are nice and clean. That deck lid looks nice. Checking out the interior, it is a non-smoker. Got the memory seating. All of those buttons look good. Bottom section's clean. That trim looks nice. Carpets look good. That bolster's in great condition. Here on the steering wheel, that looks nice. The screen's clean. All of this looks really good. Got the wireless charging. Here on the back left panel, little marking there. And it looks like there was a car seat, so you're gonna have a little indentation here. You can see it in the leather right there. Here on that door panel, looks great. Carpets look good. Bolster's really clean. Those seats look really nice. That side of the console's clean. A couple tiny scuffs on the plastic here. Wood grain looks nice. Upper side of the dash there's good. Got the sunroof. Scanning that headliner, that looks good. Here on that back right panel, looks nice and clean. That bolster looks good. I don't see any other flaws on the seats. Seat back looks good. Really, really nice. Scanning through the engine bay, looks nice and clean. And the underhood liner looks good. And you do have a power tailgate. Got the cargo mat, you got the cargo cover here. All of that looks really nice. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. 24,288 miles on the odom. Beautiful interior. This is a hybrid. Steering wheel's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. When you apply the brakes, there's no vibrations in the pedal or the steering wheel. If you see any flickering here, that's just in camera, not in person. Sometimes they like to flash a little bit. Drives nice and straight. Really no complaints.